Hello friends, welcome to my paintings. I'm Veronica Me, and these are leftovers from my rainbow pour, which I created last week. It ended up like this. And if you'd like to see this video, I will put the link down in the description box for you. And if you'd like to see how I created this skin, I will also put another link to the video in which I create skins. But today I've got a very exciting project in my head which I'd like to share with you. So I'm gonna peel these leftovers, these skins, like this, carefully. And I'm gonna use them for my special project on a wooden panel. See, if you pour on a plastic bag, then you can easily take off your leftovers, your skins, and use them for your future projects. Look at that. I wanted the rainbow colors because I'd like to create rainbow art. Look at these beautiful cells. That will be perfect. These will be perfect little pieces for my special project. And here comes the fun part. I've got this wooden piece which I'd like to decorate with my leftover colors. At the beginning I will put this artist tape on these edges because I want my wood to be visible. This is how it looks. And I bought these beautiful sheets of gold which I will try to put on my wood as a background. For that I'm gonna use this PVA glue. I can buy this in my country, but it's called PVA craft glue. So if this glue, my kids use it in school and kindergarten, so I'm just gonna pour this here and spread it everywhere. Yep, looks like everything is covered. So here comes the fun part. I'm going to put sheets of this gold. You have to be very gentle with it. Let's put this little sheet here. Ooh, it's sticking to it, which is good. Good sign. So I used like 5-6 sheets, and now after 5 minutes I'm going to gently scrape the leftover gold. You have to have a very gentle brush. And now time to use my leftovers. So I'm gonna cut loads of different shapes from my skins and put them on this wooden panel so it creates some beautiful abstraction. I'm gonna go from the lightest to the darkest. This part looks nice, and it doesn't matter that there are holes in my skins. That's actually good because my gold color, you'll be able to see through this beautiful piece. So everything is covered with my skins, and now it's time to put varnish on the top of it. And of course you could also use resin if you like using resin, but I plan to draw on it with my acrylic markers, so I want to create just a very thin layer of varnish. And I use this varnish from Solo Goya, and I buy this in a local art shop. There's so many different brands and products. I'm sure you can search something online. And this is a chemical, so make sure you wear face mask or you do it in a very well ventilated room. It smells weird, so let's pour a little bit like this on the top of everything. And I've got this, I don't know, sponge or something like that, I don't know how it's called. And I'm going to spread it everywhere. So this is how it looks, all shiny. And now the surface is not smooth, but once you let it dry, it will be nice and smooth. The colors are so beautiful. So I always wait like 2-3 days, and then I will try to paint on it with my acrylic markers. And now I'm gonna use my new paint pens from Artist Row. They've got such a beautiful range of colors. Look at them, beautiful range. And you just shake them and pump the tip. Tip is very fine, which is nice, so you can draw very thin lines with these. And I would like to paint some lines around my skin because I think it will make it pop. Maybe this one is beautiful. Yeah, so I pumped the tip, and now I'm gonna go around here. That's perfect, that's a perfect match for this piece of skin. And finally, last step, I would like to create a cracking effect on my acrylic skins, and for that I'm gonna use this cracking gel. It has got two parts, part number 1 and then part number 2, which creates the cracking effect. And I buy this in local art shop, but I'm sure you can order this online on Google or Amazon or somewhere. And it's called cracking gel or cracking paste, and this one is transparent. So if you'll be doing this, make sure it's transparent, because they also make like white ones or colorful ones, so this one needs to be transparent. At the beginning I'm gonna apply the part number 1. It looks like this, so I'm gonna put a little bit on my brush and put it everywhere. It's white, but it will dry transparent. So this is the first part, and some of the cracking gels or pastes don't have two parts. Some of them just have got one part, but this one has got, for some reason, it has got two parts. So make sure you put it everywhere on your art. You can put this on glass or just your canvas or wood, any kind of surface. So after half an hour, my first component is dry, it's not visible, so time to put the second component on, and I will be applying this cracking gel with palette knife, and the thicker the layer, the more cracks you have. So I'm going to apply it here everywhere because I would like to have some nice cracks, which I will fill with some gold. I let it dry for one day and now my cracks are visible. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it in this light, but can you see these amazing cracks? Yep, I'm gonna fill all these gaps with my gold color. I will be using this gold mica color from Arteza. So I'm just gonna put it here and fill all these gaps with beautiful gold color. Now I've got these baby wipes and I'm gonna wipe the top color, and can you see it? Can you see the beautiful gold cracks? Be gentle because you don't want to take off all the color, just the top layer. And look at that, such beautiful cracks. So I'm gonna continue and finish these leftover cracks, and I'm gonna show you the finished result soon. And this is the result of my cracked acrylic pour skins. You can create absolutely amazing piece with this technique. Look how shiny it is. And you create a beautiful piece of art with your leftovers. So you don't have to waste anything and you can still create a beautiful piece. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was inspirational for you. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up or share it with your friends. You can also join my Facebook group, which is called Create With Me, and show us your beautiful art. Thank you very much for your support. It really means a world to me. You are amazing. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye.